Welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell button to see when our latest videos come out. Today I've been testing some recipes out to make a quick custard, so this is going to be done in 30 seconds. All we're going to need is an egg yolk, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of milk. So watch out for this. Okay, now we got our egg yolk. We're just going to put a teaspoon of sugar in there, and then we're going to start whisking until we get to a nice pale egg yolk color. Now that the whisking is done, we can add 2 tablespoons of milk and just mix that quickly. We're just going to pop that in the microwave for 30 seconds. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the microwave. All you're going to do is just mix it quickly, whisk it together. And there you have custard, which is quick, easy and tasty. What you can do, you can add some vanilla essence to give a bit more flavor. But there you have it, quick and easy custard. You can use it anytime. And there you have it, simple, quick, easy custard. If you want it a bit thicker, try and put it in the microwave for like 5 seconds at a time and see until the consistency that you want it. Also, don't forget to add a little bit of vanilla essence to get a vanilla custard, as people generally do associate that with custard. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button to see all our latest videos as they come out. Catch you next time.